Hi there, I'm Martin. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add contacts from multiple media lists into a single pitching initiative. This is helpful when your outreach list is spread across several media lists, but you want to manage the pitching process in one initiative. Let's start with Gmail. First, open Gmail and compose a new mail. From there, select the first media list you want to use and add the desired contacts from that list. Once you've added those contacts, remove the current pitching initiative. Next, select the second media list you'd like to include. Add the contacts from that list as well. You can repeat this same process for any additional media lists. Simply remove the current list, select the next one, and add the contacts you want to include. Once all the desired contacts from the different media lists have been selected, hover over Select Pitching Initiative. Navigate to the account you want to create the pitching initiative under and type the name of the new pitching initiative and hit Enter. All selected contacts will now be included in the same pitching initiative. If you're using Outlook, the process works exactly the same way. Open Outlook, access the Propel sidebar, and navigate to your media lists. Select a media list, add the contacts you'd like to include, remove the list, and then select the next one. Add contacts from each list until you've included everyone you want in your outreach. Once you're finished selecting contacts, simply create a new pitching initiative under your preferred account. And that's it. You can now easily combine contacts from multiple media lists into a single pitching initiative for streamlined outreach. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com. We're always happy to help.